Hey guys, Glenn here from iPerformance PC at Cape Cod. Here's the video I told you I was going to do. This is going to be the in-depth review on the Easy Movie Maker. That's a replacement that a developer made for Windows 10 in the Windows Store, available at currently either $2.99, $3.99, or $4.99. I don't remember which I paid for it, but that's okay. It's worth the money. Go ahead and buy it. You know, it works really well. The only issue that I found with it is trying to share and upload a video to either Facebook or YouTube. It failed it every time. I got it once to work with uploading to Facebook, and that was it. I haven't been able to get it to do it. So he needs to fix whatever's causing that. All right, so now anyway, so let's get into this. Now, I'm either going to put this, depending on how long the video is. If it's more than 20 minutes, I'll have to upload it to YouTube. I won't be able to put it on Facebook because they only allow a 20-minute video. They're being stingy, and they won't allow you any longer than that. Unless you do a live video, then we could, but I can't. Well, I can actually use the software to stream it over on there live when they get it fixed. But anyways, all right. So let's get into this Easy Movie Maker thing, and I can do this in-depth review on it. So let me go ahead and go to my Start menu. Now, I'm running a touchscreen on my desktop, so I can either use keyboard and mouse, or I can actually use my finger. As you can see, you don't see the mouse pointer moving around. That's my finger doing that. All right, so let's go ahead and get this Easy Movie Maker opened up. And all right, let's get down here and get this opened up. I love this. This is really a great software to use, app. All right, so here's the Easy Movie Maker. Okay, let's start off with, all right, this is what it looks like on my desktop. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you. I have it on my tablet as well, and I also have it on my phone, and I'll show you how it, looks on those devices. Now, this is a true Universal Windows app. So you call it a UWP, Universal Windows Platform, and it's across all the devices. PC, mobile, HoloLens, and a Surface Hub. Surface Hub is only, it's non-consumer use, commercial use only for businesses like TV stations and stuff. There's a TV station out in Washington. They're using it to show their weather and stuff on it. It comes in, the smallest screen is an 80-inch, and the largest is like a 120-inch, I think. So it's pretty big, and it's really nice. And HoloLens is the developer's tool for, they can create stuff with it, like businesses can use it to create 3D images and then turn that into an actual item. So it's really cool. All right, so let's get into this, and I'm going to switch this over so you can see what it looks like on my tablet and my phone. All right, so here it is on my Toshiba Encore 2 tablet. Let me open up the Easy Movie Maker right here. As you can see, it looks just like it does on the desktop. Video trimming, you got video merging, new project, load project, add text, add music, transcoding tools, and save videos. And I'll show you what that stuff does when we get into it. Here's my Lumia 640 XL, and let me get in here so you can see this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open it up on my Lumia. And same thing, just in a different order when it's in portrait mode. But if I turn it into landscape mode, and you'll see, it looks just like it does on the desktop and the tablet. You know, video trimming, video merging, new project, load video, add text, add music, transcoding videos, transcoding tools, and save projects. All right, so there it is on my phone. And all right, so I'm going to go ahead and get opened up on my desktop again here for you. Let's get into showing you how this works. All right, so let's go ahead and close out my camera here. All right, so now I'm back here on the desktop again, and let's get this. All right, so now I did three videos for you. I did one video that for Facebook and telling you about the project that I'm going to do. And so here's the project. Let's start with a new project right here. Click on a new project here. Video, picture, choose location, blank video, and camera. Camera allows you to turn on your camera, and you can do a live video with it. You know, make your own video using the camera. And then when you're done, you can just go ahead and edit the project, do what you're going to do with it, and be done with it. And I may start using that when I do me and my wife do bike rides a lot. We're trying to do as many as we want to start doing more because we haven't been able to do them the past couple of years. She got hurt at work and her back was really bothering. We couldn't bike ride, so we got back into it, and it's not bothering us. We've been riding, doing some videos along the way, and I usually edit them and put them on Facebook or YouTube or both for people to see. And I think I'm going to start recording if I can pause it. I'll use my phone that way, and I'll use this camera setting. I'm going to try it, mess around with it later, and see if that's something I can do. Usually I use my built-in, camera app on my Lumia 640 to do it, but I might try using this app and see what happens. All right, so let's go ahead and click video, and let's get this opened up. All right, so here's the 3 videos I did, plus the one that I uploaded to Facebook. So let's go ahead, and we're going to take this, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. All right. Now, let's see. I need to move this to get out of my way here. Let's put this over here. All right. So I don't want to do anything with this. I'm going to go ahead and click the arrow across button right here on the right. I'm not going to add any text right now. I'm just going to kind of leave this blank. And, all right, now I want to export the video, and this is going to actually save it. And, okay, I'm going to change this name. I'm going to change that to rename automatically. Let's just do it this way. All right. So we'll name this Facebook video. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and close out the keyboard. And let's go ahead and click submit. All right. So now this is going to go ahead and save this. While this is doing this, we'll wait for it to finish. I'll come back when it's done. All right, now I'm almost finished with this. Now, when this is done, it's going to come up playing the video, and that just lets you so that you can see the video to make sure it come out the way you want it. So just, okay. So here we go. Okay. So now it's playing the video back. And let's just go ahead and we'll pause this. All right. So that just lets you see the video so that you know that it come out. Now, if you notice up here in the right-hand corner, you got share. That's where you can actually share the video, and you've got send to. You've got YouTube and Facebook. Like I said, YouTube and Facebook keeps failing the upload. And I found apps for Windows 10 where you can do this, where you can upload something, and I've found where it only seems to work on, I think it's on data and not Wi-Fi. Or it might be the other way around. I don't remember which, but I know it does one of the two. And I thought that was the case with this one, but no, it's not working either way. I do it data or on Wi-Fi. But otherwise than that, so like you can choose like send to, right? Now watch, I'm going to click send to, and I'll show you what comes up in the menu. So now you got a list here, and I can actually choose Facebook from here. I might try it that way and see how it works out. I just don't have YouTube here, but I got OneDrive. I can send it to OneDrive. I can send it in email if it's short enough. Now, unfortunately, email you can only send up to like I think it's a 15 megabyte video. It's not very long. I know that. You've got Line, you've got all these different Dropbox, then Box, Twitter, all this stuff, share across. These are all a lot of the apps that I have, PixArt, things like that. Pages Manager for you. I can upload the video right from right here to my business page, doing it this way. So I might try that, but I can do it with those. I'm going to close this out. Okay. So now what this has done, this has saved the video. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and if we look right here, we're going to find the video that I just did, which is up here in the right-hand corner. This is my saved video. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the saved project, and I'm going to go ahead. All right, let's just do that. Oh, I don't want to. All right. So, all right, so let me get this. Let me go back into that project. Let's load it again. Because I don't want to do this. This is just, I want to show you guys how this works. All right. So we don't want to load the project. We actually want to, merge. All right. So now I got the save project, right? I'm going to go ahead in here, and I'm going to go video merging. Let me show you how to merge these. If that's all you're interested in doing, if you already have a video, and you want to merge a bunch of videos together, so now what you can do is you can click merge video, right? Wait for this to open up. All right, so we're going to choose the photos we want to merge. So I'm going to take this one, this one, this one, and this one. All right, these are the ones that I want to merge. And now what you have is we're going to let this load up. All right, so here's all the 4 videos. The more you have, you'll be able to scroll across to get to the ones you want. And if they're not in the right order that you want them, you can click reorder. And I could take this video and I can drag it down here to the end and put it down the very end if I want. But I'm going to leave it where it is. All right, so I'm done with that, right? Now, we're gonna if we're done with this part of it, which we are. See, if you click down here, you've got preview, so you can preview the video first. All right, so if you want to preview it, click preview, and this is going to allow you to preview the video. All right, so you see that, right? All right, so now let's just go ahead and click the X down here. So you want to close that preview out, or if you want to add another video, you can just click the plus sign down here to import another video, which this will open up and let you choose another video, which we don't need to do that. We're all set. So now we're going to export the video. Now this is going to save all these videos all into one video. So we're going to go ahead and do this, and it's called Merge Video. Yeah, I'll leave this as it is for now. We're going to click Submit, and we're going to let this do its thing. All right, we'll let this finish up. Okay, now when this video is finished, it's almost done. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to allow you to preview it, so you can see it to make sure that it come out right. And I'm not going to let this go all the way through. Well, let's see. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll move this along a little bit here, and just so you can see. I don't remember how long my tablet went for, but let's see. All right, so this is the whole video, and this is with it all merged together. Okay, let's just back this up a little bit and see if it's here. All right, so this is the merged video right here, and this is the full length. It's 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes and 59 seconds, almost 7 minutes long. All right, so this is the merged video. Now watch, if I come out of here, let's edit back. All right, so here's the merged video, and this is the saved video. So now we have those 2 videos there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we're going to close this out because we don't want the save video. All right, let's say you want to do some video trimming. Let's go ahead and trim up a video. All right, so so now what we want to do is we want to all right, let's take the merged video, right? And let's say you want to trim this up. So we can take this video right here, and now what we're going to do is, all right, so now down the bottom here, you got this big long bar along here, and this is how it allows you to merge the video. Let's say I want to shorten the video up some. You drag this to where you want it. All right, so let's just drag this about halfway. No, actually, let's just cut it right up. All right, so let's go ahead and just cut it right into a short little video. All right, now you can actually preview it to see if it's where you want it, right? All right, now this will just go ahead and this will play this little short part that I clipped, and you'll see. And so this will put it where you want it. All right, almost finished here. All right, so there's my trimmed video. Now I can export this video, and it'll shorten it up and save it as that short little video. And all right, let's go ahead and just show this merged video. I'm going to put it as cropped video. Or merge. Actually, what did I do? Yeah, I'll just put it as cropped video. Okay. Oh. Okay, cropped video, right? Yeah, cropped. You're cropping it, trimming it, same thing. All right, so let's go ahead and leave it as that. And we're going to go ahead and change. We're going to save that under cropped video. All right, so now this is going to go quick because it's real short. All right, so now it's done. It's going to let you preview it. And here's the chop video. You'll see. I'll let this run. All right, as you can see, it's moving pretty quick. So we'll let this go ahead and finish out just so you can see the crop video of it. All right, so now I just chopped that video like in half. All right, so we're done with that. Now you have the option to share it again. All right, so that's how you crop. Now let's go ahead and I'll do a add music, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up a video again. Now let's see. I will take the crop video. All right, let's say I want to add some music to this, right? So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, now let's get this. Click the plus sign right here because it's where you want to go grab your music from. And now you have up the top here. Let me just get this out of my way so I can get at that. Okay, you got music here that's automatically here for you. And yeah, you know what? I'll just go ahead and pick something from here. I could choose my own under my music. But I'm going to go ahead and I'll choose something from here. All right, let's go ahead and use Stepping on the Rainy Street. Okay, so now here's the song. Now watch. All right, I'm going to go ahead and play this first. This is going to play the song for me. See, so now I get some music that I added to it. Now, I think I can do it from here. Let me just see. Yes. Okay. So now right down here where it says Stepping on the Rainy Street, right? Let's say you want to crop this to fit this video. You want a certain part of the song. Click right here, anywhere in the red, and it's going to bring up, you can turn the volume down if you want, to where you want it, or I'm going to leave it at 100%. Now here is the music clip, and you get to drag this, like right now it's right here. Now let's see, let's go ahead and let's chop this up. Alright, so now you get here. Let's say I want to put it there, right? And I want it to fade in and fade out, so I can do that just like you did with on the Windows Live Movie Maker. You could fade in and fade it out. All right, so now we've gone ahead and we've chopped the video. Now let's go ahead and play it again from the beginning, and you'll see the music is chopped. See, now it's got the chopped portion of the music. And it's going to play it again because I didn't fit the video, but that's fine. Because the video's a little long. So there you go. And if you play around with this, you can actually get that to put it right where you want it. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's go back to home. We're going to go ahead and close this out because I showed you what you can do with that. All right, now transcoding tools. All right, let's say we want to take a video and we want to make it an MP4 if it's not already. All right, so let's just go ahead and we'll take the crop video and we're going to add this to this. Now it's going to go ahead and it's now turned it into an MP4, and we'll just go ahead and play this back. All right, and if I go ahead and click export, it's going to save the file, and it's going to be okay. I'll go ahead and do this. Crop video. Let's see. We'll name that crop video MP4. Okay. So now we're going to do that MP4, right? We're going to submit it. Now it's going to go ahead and save it. So now it's going to save it as an MP4. Now you've made it into an MP4 video. So if a place you're trying to upload to requires it to be an MP4, or if you want an MP4, you can go ahead and turn it into an MP4 video. So there it is, and now it's MP4. Okay. So now if you look here under Save Videos, here's all the videos that I've done, all 4 of them, and I've done that. And all right, so that's pretty much how you use that app. All right, so let me just show you. Well, I'm going to show you a few more things. So I'm going to go ahead and close the X. All right. So now let's go ahead and let's take a saved video. Actually, new project. All right, let's go back into a new project, and let's take a video. And now what we want to do is we want to add some text, and we want to add some, and we want to add text as well as music. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we're going to go find where the video is being saved. It's right here. All right, so I'm going to take the full-length video right here. Yeah, merge video. Okay, we'll take this one. We're going to open this one up. Okay. So now we've got, right now it says clips, and you can add right down here. You can import more videos. You can preview it. So we know this video is all set. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to click the arrow, go to the next one. All right, now let's go ahead and add some text to it. So we're going to open this up, and this is merged video. Okay, so we'll name that merged video, and you can add text along the way if you want. Like, here's the first section, and let's just go ahead, and here again down the bottom you got this bar. Let's drag this out and put it as far as we want. Let's go right about here. Okay, now you can leave that where it's at, and if you want to add more text, all right, we'll go ahead and leave this. Oh, let's go ahead and get into the texting tools. Let me show you what you can do with this. This is really cool. Before we get in there to do that, let's go ahead and put this over to the side. Let's say I want to make this larger so you can see it, change maybe the color of it, do some various things. All right, by clicking on the bar again, in the middle there, you can open up. You get to change your font. All right, so let's go ahead and go down. I got a nice font that I like to use. And let's see, which one was it again? I think it was it this one? No. I have to remember to write this one down so I remember where it's at. Okay, let's leave it here. Okay, this one's pretty good. All right, now we're going to leave it on. I used Segio script. Now here's your colors. You got white, you got yellow, you got orange, you got green, blue, light blue, black, purple, gray, another orange, and a red. So I'm going to use red as my favorite color. Now, font size right here, you can either make it smaller or you can make it as big as you want. So let's go ahead and bring this right across. Whoop. All right, let's just get that right out to the edge of the box. All right, so now we did that with it. Now you have text alignment where you can choose center, left, or right. I'm going to leave it in center. Now you have stroke. Stroke is where you can change the color of it. But let me go ahead and do this first. So I'm going to go ahead and stroke it. It's going to add, see how it's adding the black to it? And you get to change how far you want that to go out. All right, I kind of like that. Okay, you can change the color of it. You can go ahead and start with white. You can do it like that. Go to yellow. Go through all these different colors. Green, blue. All right, so let's just go ahead and, yeah, I kind of like that. All right, now, then you have shadow. This adds a shadow to it, so what we're going to do is we're going to drag this right out. And look at that, it's adding a black shadow to it if I want. Or if I want it to match, I can go ahead and do that, but I kind of like the black better, so I'm going to shadow that out in black because that kind of gives it like a shadowy effect. I like that. Or maybe let's try it in red. Let's just see this how it would look in red. No, I like the black. Red's not bad, but I'm going to go ahead and do the black. So leave it shadowed out in black. Then you have opacity. You can actually fade this thing out if you want. I could leave it like that. I can keep going until it almost complete. I can completely fade it. I can have it just lightly show in the background. And the more you go with it, the brighter it gets. So we'll leave it right like that. You have start animations. All right, so we want to fade in, and then you can choose the length of how long you want to fade it. So I'm going to go to 2.0. Then we have fade out, and same thing. You can turn it right down to 0.5 all the way up to 2.0. Let's put it at 2.0. So there's your texting tools. And now look at that. That looks really nice. And you can move it around, put it where you want it. You know, I can put it up a little higher if I want. I'll go ahead and I'll set it down the bottom. Okay, so now we're done with that part of it. Now, let's say you want to add a little music to this video, right? Okay, well, down the bottom here, you've got Save Project. You can save it. You have, well, let's look at that notification clear out of the way. Sorry about that. Let's just go ahead and close this notification out. All right, so let's go ahead. You've got overlays, and I haven't tried that yet. I'll have to mess around with that. You have text, which I'm working on right now. And now you have music. So let's go ahead and add some music to this. So let's click music. All right. So now let's click the plus sign again. Now let's go back, and you choose probably the same one that's here. Oh yeah, here it is. Stepping on the Rainy Street, right? So that's the song I'm going to choose. Now, if I wanted to crop this and chop it up, I can open the tools again. I can fade it in, fade out. Music volume's at 100%. I can turn that down if I want. And then I can go ahead and I can, chop this thing right up. But I'm going to leave it full. And let's go ahead and check this out. So here's my full video that I did. Look at that. Beautiful. See, it's showing the merged video. And this works really great. We'll let this run for a second. And we'll let that, you'll see the merged video will disappear. I mean, I could go back and I could fix that so it would go quicker, but, so there you go. As you can see right down here, stepping on the rainy street. And this will disappear if I drag this. Watch, it'll disappear somewhere up here. I guess I drag you there. All right, so let's go right here, and then watch. Now you'll see it disappear. There it goes, and it fades out. So really nice. The developer really put some thought into this app. It's a really, really great app. If anybody's given it less than a 5-star rating, well, maybe a 4-star rating because they got to fix the issue with uploading to Facebook and YouTube. I'm not sure what that is, what's causing it, but he needs to kind of straighten that out. Otherwise than that, you shouldn't be giving this thing any less than a 4-star rating. It's fantastic. I'm sorry. If you feel that it's less than that, I don't know why, and you need to comment and let me know why you think it is, because this thing's fantastic. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll go ahead and export this video, and I'll put final. I'll name this one final video. Final video. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and close that out. We're going to submit it. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and let this save this video. It'll take a little bit of time here, so we'll let this go. And then when it's all said and done, I'll be back. Okay, so now we're back with the merged video. And now this is a complete finished version of it. All right, so let me just go ahead and pause this. All right, so that's how you can really, do your video up, and you can put the text where you want it. You're moving around the screen. You get to chop the music if you want. If you don't, you just leave it full length. The only thing I didn't see in here was like the Windows Live Movie Maker, where you were able to actually have the music fit to the video. That's the only thing that I haven't seen where you can do that, is make the music fit to the video like the Windows Live Movie Maker did. But otherwise, that's fantastic. So, hold on. Sorry about that. I had a phone call. All right. So, yeah. So that's it. That's the only thing that needs to be done, is they need to add it where you can fit the video to the music, or music to video, whichever you want to call it. And that's pretty much it. So this is the final with that video, and I will upload this to Facebook. And then when I'm done, I'm going to probably do another video a little bit where I'm going to show you using my mobile phone to do the video the exact same way. And you can see, I'll just do I'll take the video that I did, and I'll do the full length of that one again. And instead of naming it merging video, I'll name it something else. Or merging video on mobile is what I'll actually name it. So, all right, let me get this video finished up here, and I'll get it up on the Facebook. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for liking my page. Thanks for watching my videos and checking out my posts and all that. And get some more likes on my page, will you? I need some more interaction. All right, well, I'm Glenn from High Performance PC at Cape Cod. I'll see everybody.